Hi guys, so it's Sunday morning and we are off to, where are we going? To the beach? Yeah, we're off to the beach at Formby, which is Liverpool, Southport. We've got the dog in the back and the sun's out, but it's still a bit chilly, so we're just going to have a nice day. So see you there.
See you later.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday morning and we are off to, where are we going? To the beach? Yeah, we're off to the beach at Formby, which is Liverpool, Southport. We've got the dog in the back and the sun's out, but it's still a bit chilly, so we're just going to have a nice day. So see you there.
See you later.
Oliver, I'll help you open it. Is it like a big yum yum?
Yeah.
You're gonna have that now, aren't you? Do you want me to help you? Where have you been, honey? Where did you go? Where's the kids? It's beautiful here, Florence.
There's a big stone in the sand. Look, there's a big...
Wow. Is it beautiful here, Florence?
Yeah. And they just got here.
Say hello. Right, the kids have made me climb up the sand dune. Are you alright, Florence?
Yeah, I told it to
And literally, I'm so unfit, but
because at the top of the
I'm nearly at
sand
the
dune,
top.
there's really nice, thing.
There's a really nice view at the top.
Yeah.
I'm about 3/4 of the way up, so I'll see you when I'm at the top. Look at that bright blue sky. Try and zoom into the children. Are you looking? So sunny, I can't actually see a thing. Such a lovely day. I know I keep saying that, but it's really gorgeous here. So vast, this beach, and there's a boat coming in. So this beach is absolutely beautiful. Children in the background playing on the sand dunes. It's a gorgeous day. Oh, there's a boat coming in. We'll try and spin it around and show you. Not sure if you can see that. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Oliver, do you want this last bit?
So I've reached the top. Just going to show you the view. The view. Really up high. There's Oliver.
You guys should see this.
I'm just going to do the view from the other side.
Mum, the view from here. Mum, the view from here.
There's Florence up there.
It's so nice from here.
Is it in front of you? Right there. Whoa, look, what can we see? Is there a helicopter? Oliver, don't go on that bit, darling. Oliver? Wow.
Wow, love that.
So we are back from our day at the beach, and in case you're interested, this is where we went. So it's a National Trust beach, and it's Formby, and I think there's like a walk and stuff there you can do, but we were just tired, so we just done the beach. But it was a lovely day. It turned out really warm, and as we were leaving it was getting pretty busy. Yeah, so just picked up a few bits in Tesco, so I'm just going to spin you around and show you what we picked up. So just spent, what did we spend? $15.60, is that? So just got 2 of these stuffed crust Chicago Town pizzas. They were 2 for what were they? 2 for £6. So it's a pepperoni and a loaded cheese, some Diet Pepsi, some butter for toast in the morning, a big coleslaw and baby potato salad. That's just Tesco Finest one. A big tub of mixed olives with mature cheddar pieces. Children love olives. Just some cookies, chocolate chunk cookies, and a loaf of bread. I'll just show you the children. So Honey had a lovely day out. And here she is. Oliver's all ready for bed. Just catching up on the football. Yeah? This is football. And Florence has had a lovely bath. You've got a colour on your face today, haven't you? Yeah? So you can have some dinner and then do some reading before school. Did you have a lovely day?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your best bit?
When we went on the sand.
That was brilliant, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, so we shall see you next time. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.